Good morning, happy Friday. I'm in such a good mood today. I just love that drive into Ogwen Valley. I mean, the drive into Snowdonia in general is nice, but that one road into Ogwen Valley, the views are just amazing. Makes me so happy. So, I have a really fun weekend of adventures planned. I'm doing a hike of Penyrolwen now. I am doing a sunrise hike up Crib GOCH in the morning, and I figured that I would just take you along and film a video of like my entire weekend and just show you what I typically I cannot talk today, show you what I typically get up to on an adventure weekend. So I'm very excited to be climbing Penyrolwen. It's something that I've admired a lot from a distance, like when I've been up on Igan or Trefan. I've camped up on Igan several times and I always have that stunning view of Penyrolwen. So it's going to be nice to actually climb it and be able to get a view of the Ogwen Valley from that side, because I normally only get the view from that side. Then I am doing Crib GOCH in the morning for sunrise, which again I'm just so excited for, because it's been on my list for coming up to 2 years now. Obviously I do a lot of my hikes solo, and I've considered doing Crib GOCH solo? Oh my god! I've considered doing Crib GOCH solo, but it's just a bit too dangerous. For anybody who doesn't know of Crib GOCH, it's like a knife edge ridge. Can't do it because I don't have two hands. But a knife edge ridge leading up to the Snowdon summit. So it's kind of not something to do on your own for the first time. So I have Dave, who is a mountain leader. He's leading me up tomorrow, which is going to be really great. So I'm going to be in good hands. So Penyrolwen today, Crib GOCH tomorrow. I will take you along. I think it's going to be a good one. I'm very excited. The weather's great. I'm in a great mood. Awesome. Just great. Everything's great. Hey, let's get out. Cannot get over this weather. Look at this! Oh my god, amazing. I just had to take all my layers off because it honestly feels like a summer's day. It's so warm. It's crazy. These are those funny shots where I pretend I don't know the camera's there, and I just pretend that I'm hiking, and then I have to come back and get the camera, and it's all for cinematic effect, so I hope you appreciate it. What a day! The sun is setting over there, which is beautiful, but it means I've got half an hour of daylight left now. I've taken a lot longer than I planned to get up here today, just because it's been so nice and I just kept stopping and enjoying it. But yeah, it means I'm going to be heading down as it gets dark, so I'm going to need to kind of be a bit speedy now. I made it! Summit of Penyrolwen, just as the sun is setting. This is insane. It's 4:45, so the sun officially sets in 10 minutes. Bit of a predicament in that I don't know whether I should go back down the way I came up. It was quite scrambly, but I know the route. or whether I should continue to follow the loop down, which I've been told is an easier descent, but I don't know the route, and if I'm going down in the dark, that's a bit of a gamble. My first ever cloud inversion. And the one day my drone isn't working, I could literally cry, but this is just so insane. It's worth it for going down in the dark. I'm gonna head down now. I'm not gonna film, I'm just gonna get down, but look at that. Little update from me, I decided to head down the way I went up, which I'm now realising was a huge error because I'm having to scramble down, which is a lot harder than it was coming up, so this is gonna be fun. It's annoying because my car is literally there, you can see the road, but I've got quite a way to go and probably like 20 minutes of light left, so wish me luck. Oh my god, I don't know how I just made that. Oh my god, that was no joke. The sketchiest, scariest descent I think I've ever done on a mountain, and I had to do it in the dark. Yeah, big error going down. Big error going down the ridge. Yeah, very out of my depths at some points on that descent. Nearly cried at one point, not gonna lie. And yeah, it was like scrambling backwards down like either gullies or very sharp, steep ridges and edges and stuff. So that was traumatizing, and I have a lot of adrenaline pumping through my body right now. My legs have just about stopped trembling, but I made it. I didn't cry. It was actually quite a fun, character building, interesting, exciting experience to finish off an incredible day. So I am starving, so I'm gonna go get pizza and potentially a large drink, and then I'm going to bed because I am up early for Crib GOCH. Oh my god, how many hours? In literally 12 hours, I'm gonna be setting off to climb Crib GOCH, which is also gonna be scary and terrifying and traumatic. So that's gonna be fun. We'll see how it goes.
How are we?
Morning, good, how are you?
I'm really good.
Let's go. Morning, this is Dave, our mountain leader today.
How are we doing?
So we've just set off on the pig track up towards Crib, and we're both extremely tired. Dave's had like 2 hours sleep because he was working last night, and I'm just dead from yesterday, so this is going to be a fun day. Made it up the, what do you call that?
The first climb.
Yeah, made it up the first climb in just below the start bridge. And we're watching the sun because it's about to come out of the clouds. So we're just taking a last little break before the ridge starts. Literally shaking because I'm so hungry. So we're having a little snack and hot chocolate. Oh my god!
If you're cold, you go on the other side. Where...
I'm so happy right now.
Yeah, okay. Nice nutritious breakfast. I don't really know.
Yeah.
We'll kind of stop there. And
We made some friends. we're not sharing our hot chocolate though.
Silly friends.
Silly friends.
Definitely sending you. Just put legs on.
So we're just on our final descent down Clanberis Path. We've been out for 7 hours 10 minutes, 7.3 miles. It's been awesome, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been brilliant.
We're extremely tired, but yeah, really, really cool experience. I'm so glad that I did Crib GOCH and amazing conditions and stuff.
And you didn't die.
And I didn't die.
Yeah.
That's always a bonus.
Such a shame.
Rude. Hi, sheep.
Hello.
We just crossed the cattle grid, which is apparently the end of the path from Snowdon, and David just pointed out I'm no longer on his insurance as a mountain leader, so if I die now, I can't claim. Is that right?
Yep, of course.
Damn it. But that's it. That's Snowdon done. We've still got a bit of a walk to get to food. We're going to go eat loads of food and replenish all the calories we burnt today.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome day. Oh, that was cringe. Oh, let's do our fist bump. Okay, awesome day. Yeah. So I'm back at my car. I'm about to head home. I've got a 3-hour drive home. What an awesome few days of adventures. I've absolutely loved it. This has been one of the best weekends I've had in such a long time. The conditions were just incredible, just insane. To think that it's the middle of December and we've had sun to the point that we were getting sunburnt today, and it's been really warm and it's been still, and yeah, incredible conditions. I've got sunrise, sunset, cloud inversion, met some awesome people today. It's just been incredible, so I've absolutely loved it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and one thing I will say from this video, I know I do a lot of my hikes solo and I always really encourage solo adventures, but I would implore you to not try Crib GOCH solo. Hence why I recruited Dave, who is a qualified mountain leader. So he was my guide today and he was awesome, and I would really recommend, if you do want to tick off crib, unless you're a lot more experienced, then I'd recommend getting a mountain leader, because it just takes the pressure away and you know that you're in safe hands. So if you do want to contact Dave, his details are in the description. But yeah, just been awesome. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Hopefully, well, definitely a lot more exciting adventures to come in 2022. But thank you for watching so far, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna head home and have a well-deserved rest day because my legs do not work anymore. It's been fun. Bye.